My power is absolute. At heights no one's even dreamed of. But I have a bigger destiny.
Oh, praise be. And what is it?
All right, let's get to work, yeah?
We think that Homelander is looking for the V1.
It's Thought's first iteration of Compound V. If Homelander got his hands on some, he'd be immortal.
We need to run while we can, however we can.
No, we hit him with the virus while it still works and kill every fucking suit on the planet.
I need you, Father. Did you fuck me?
What?
Is this some kind of incest thing?
No.
Then what the fuck is this?
We need to prepare America for my ascension.
You one of us now?
Well, if you can't beat him, join him. Then fucking beat him.
This is our last chance. The only thing we have left is hope.
That's beta male shit, bro. War, am I right?
To those who seek to destroy me,
The non-believers.
and backstabbers, I offer oblivion.
You guys are friends?
You talk.
Mm-hmm.